Hello friends, I am Ajay Buslan. Today we are going to see how we can install Ubuntu on Windows 10 operating system using VirtualBox. So we need to download VirtualBox first. So search VirtualBox in any browser. Then go to first link appearing as Oracle VM VirtualBox. Then go to download section and then click on Windows host. So it will start downloading the VirtualBox file. Once you download it, install VirtualBox. Then you need to download Ubuntu ISO file. So search Ubuntu and then go to download section and download 20.04 LTS version. Then after downloading this file, our downloading part will completed. Then open VirtualBox and create new file and name the operating system. We will give the name as Ubuntu and click give the type of the operating system and then version. We have downloaded 64-bit as you can see here on ISO file AMD64. Then give the folder in which you have to save the operating system. Then click on next. Then allocate the RAM to your operating system. We will go to the green mark or before the green mark. Then click on next. Then hard disk we will keep everything at is it. Here also we will check VirtualBox disk image. Then click on next. Here we will select dynamically allocated. The file location and size, here you have to store your data and how much size you have to give. You can increase it from your preference. Then click on create. As you can see, our operating system has been created. Don't click on start button. Go to setting first. In general, in basic we can change our operating system name and type, and we don't have to change it. Then in advanced section, in shared clipboard, we need to change to bidirectional, and drag and drop also we need to check to bidirectional, so we can get copy and paste file from your host operating system to Ubuntu. In description you can give your description about operating system and nothing to change another here. In system, in motherboard we don't have to change anything. In processor you can allocate your processor to that green mark, and in acceleration don't need to change anything. In display also we don't need to anything change. In storage section, we need to give the ISO file location. So click on the empty section here and click on disk section and choose the disk file. So here we can see our disk file. Then you simply click on it and click open. So here we can see our disk file is created here. Then nothing to change here also. Then click on OK. So now we can start our operating system. By clicking on start, our operating system Ubuntu will get started. You can cancel this notification. As you can see, our installation process is started. After finishing this process, this kind of interference is before in front of us, then we need to select language as your preference. Then I will select English. Then we click on the install Ubuntu. Here we can select your keyboard layout. I will select English US and language. We can test your keyboard here for it is correct or not, and then click on continue. Here what application you would like to install, and start with we will normal installation, and then we will click install third party software graphics also, and then click on continue. Here we can see erase disk and install Ubuntu, but we are installing Ubuntu on VirtualBox, so it wouldn't erase anything. So we will click on install now. We will see the warning like this. So, but we should click on continue, and our installation process will start here. Yeah, then he will ask where are you, so we will select our location in India where, and then continue. Then we you have to tell your name, so I will type here, and it will allocate in your computer's name and username also, and we will set here password here. And require my password to login, and then click on continue. As we can see, our installation process is started. It will take some time, so we will skip this part and take to when installation is done. After completing installation process, we need to click on start now button. It will restart the operating system, Ubuntu operating system. And then remove the installation medium, and then press enter. We simply press enter. So our so our installation process is done here, and then we need to log in our account. So we need to click on the our account profile, and then enter the password we have set before, and click enter. So our operating system is installed and we can use it. So thank you.